Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about the onPreExecute and doInBackground methods of async task in Android. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The onPreExecute method gets called before the background task begins, and it's used to set up the task. It's called on the main event thread, so it has access to views in the user interface. The onPreExecute method takes no parameters and has a void return type. For example, before we run the database code, we need to get the value of the favorite checkbox. The doInBackground method runs in the background immediately after onPreExecute. You define what type of parameters the task should receive and what the return type should be. For example, you change this to integer to match the parameter of the doInBackground method. You change this to boolean to match the return type of the doInBackground method. This code runs in a background thread. This is an array of integers, but we'll just include one item, the drink ID. The update method uses the drink values object that the onPreExecute method created. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.